Hi everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am talking about blazers. I get really excited every time winter hits here. I live in a subtropical climate, so I don't have a lot of winter, but I love to wear my blazers when I can. I think every lady and every man needs a blazer in their capsule wardrobe. So why do I think everyone needs one? They are so versatile. So they can go with shorts, they can go with skirts, they can go with jeans, they can go with dresses, they can go with trousers. Anything that you want to put with a blazer works really well. They're also good to wear to work, but they can be used in a dressy occasion or, you know, a casual occasion. So dressed up, dressed down. Cost per wear, you get a lot out of a blazer if you pick correctly. Now, if you pick a timeless one, and this is mine, this is very timeless, and this was very inexpensive. This is Dannii Minogue, you know, the singer, Kylie's sister, who has a clothing range in Target. So this was bought for Target. It is velvet. I have had this, I was just trying to think the other day, how long have I had this? Well, I've had this for at least 5 or 6 years and I continue to wear it. I don't wear a lot of black, but it's velour. I tend to wear this more at night time, but I can wear it in the daytime. So cost per wear, I've done very well with this blazer. The other reason I think people should put a blazer as part of their capsule wardrobe is they flatter every body shape. We're all different body shapes. Some of us had, you know, the smaller bust, others have bigger busts. Others have, you know, a waist or don't have much of a waist. Just pick one that you feel good in. I mean, there's more ones that are more fitted, that cinch in the waist. I have one like that, but some people prefer the boyfriend ones, which are the oversized ones, which work just as well. I have a combination in my wardrobe and I love both because I tend to wear them with different outfits or different places. So if you haven't got a blazer, you need to get one. The other thing I like about a blazer, it just puts your outfit together. You don't even have to try. If you've got an ordinary dress underneath, which sometimes I have, I grab a blazer and it just elevates my look. A blazer makes you look more sophisticated, more stylish. It's just like you've tried but you haven't. All you have to do is grab that blazer before you walk out the door and you look really put together. The other reason I think I like blazers is you can accessorize them very easily. You don't have to think. I don't wear many accessories now. I'm 60, I've just gone off accessories. I'll probably come back onto them another time. But you can put a scarf with it, you can put a brooch, you can put a nice pair of earrings, you can have a necklace showing if you had a dress on, your blazer sits there. I prefer, and this is just me, I prefer a single-breasted blazer. Some people do better on a double-breasted blazer. Just pick what suits you. So I'll leave some pictures after this video of me wearing my blazers. But don't forget everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye.